Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome back to another English lesson. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about our daily activities in English. This is perfect for beginners who want to improve their conversation skills. I'll show you common phrases and expressions that native speakers use every day. Let's make learning English fun and easy. First, let me introduce you to my friend Alex. We're going to have a natural conversation about our day, and I'll break down the important phrases for you. Hi, Alex. How's your day going?
Hey, Sarah. It's going pretty well, thanks. I've had quite a busy morning.
Oh, really? What have you been up to?
Well, I woke up at 7 a.m., had breakfast, and then went to the gym. After that, I had a meeting with my team at work.
Sounds like a productive morning. What did you have for breakfast?
I had some toast with avocado and a cup of coffee. What about you? How has your day been so far?
My day has been good. I started with some yoga at home. Then I worked on some lesson plans for my students. I just had lunch, actually.
Nice! What did you have for lunch?
I made a fresh salad with grilled chicken. It was delicious. Do you have any plans for the rest of the day?
Yes, I'm meeting some friends for dinner later. We're trying that new Italian restaurant downtown.
That sounds fun. I hope you enjoy it. Now, let's break down some of the useful phrases we just used. How's your day going? This is a common way to ask someone about their day. What have you been up to? We use this to ask what someone has done recently. I woke up at, to tell the time you started your day. I had breakfast, lunch, dinner, talking about meals. What did you have for? Asking about specific meals. Do you have any plans for? Asking about future activities. Let's practice another conversation. Hey, Alex, what time do you usually start your day?
I usually get up around 6:30 a.m. on weekdays. I like to start early.
That is early. What's your morning routine like?
After I get up, I make my bed, take a shower, and get dressed. Then I have breakfast and check my emails before heading to work.
Do you prepare your own lunch for work?
Sometimes I do, but I often grab something from the cafe near my office. What about your evening routine?
After work, I usually go for a walk in the park, then make dinner. I like to relax with a book or watch some TV before bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to be in bed by 10:30 p.m. to get enough sleep. These conversations show you how to talk about daily routines, meal times, work activities, free time activities, and sleep schedules. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these phrases in your own conversations. Before we wrap up, let's review some key expressions. I usually, talking about habits. After that, describing what happens next. Sometimes I, talking about occasional activities. And I try to, discussing goals or intentions. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful for improving your English conversation skills. Remember to practice these phrases with friends or language partners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest lessons. Leave a comment below telling me about your daily routine in English. I'd love to read them. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English lesson.